Hi, I'm Boye Hartmann from Leaderonomics Asia. I'll talk to you a little about how we operate in our company. We work with three values. In our company, we work with learning, succeeding, and enjoying. Learning because we want us, our people, all our employees to learn every day. Every day they go to work, we learn something new. But also our clients and our shareholders should learn something every day. We also want to succeed, meaning that if you're an employee and you don't feel successful, you don't feel recognized, you're not really getting what you need out of your work. Secondly, our clients need to feel successful. Of course, at the end, shareholders always want to be successful. Lastly, you need to enjoy what you do. So we, our customers, our partners need to enjoy working together. If 2 out of 3 is not there, it's okay to step away if you want to build a long-lasting company. Thank you for watching. I'm Boye Hartmann. See you next time.